Welcome to use T2000 Infusion Pump. T2000 is touchscreen and intelligent infusion pump. First of all, open the door. Install the IV set. Ensure the free flow protection is pushed down. The line should be placed smoothly. Press to make sure the line is good contact, and then the door can be closed. Before infusion, we need to clear the air in line. Enter into the infusion section and choose rate mode. Then press purge to clear air in line. Stop and press home key to return home page. In order to set rate, VTBI or any other parameter, touch each item to input wanted number and press OK to confirm. For example, we set 150. Press OK. Flow at 600 mm per hour. Press OK. When you are ready to deliver, press start and choose yes. During infusion, you are available to change flow rate without stopping infusion by pressing set and press rate item. Rate can be changed. Flow rate, VTBI, remaining time, total volume, and DPS can be showed here. If you are going to use bolus, press bolus and set VTBI. Rate or time. After that, press Start Bolus. Press End to stop bolus. If you would like to continue, press Continue and press Yes. Press Start, Stop key. To stop infusion, press Modify Value. Other infusion modes are available for using. Calibration. Before calibration, we need to prepare two 10 ml syringes, two 30 ml syringes for collecting fluid. T2000 calibration contains double calibrations and double certifying. This is a 10 ml syringe. Pull the plunger to reach 10 ml scale. Insert the needle into the syringe. But now, we're going to clear the air in line. Enter into rate mode and press Purge to remove any air bubble in line. Stop and return to Infuse Tube section. Insert the needle into the syringe. Choose Infuse Tube section. Select Self-Defined Tube. Input 1111. Press OK. Choose a brand like Tube A. Select Set Accuracy. Press Start to calibrate. Wait for 5 minutes. After finished, read the real volume on the 10 ml syringe. Input real volume. Press OK and then confirm. Continue the second calibration procedure. Prepare a 30 ml syringe. Insert a needle of IV set. Press Start. Wait for 2 minutes. Input real volume. Press OK and then confirm it. Calibration finished. Now we're going to certify our calibration. Press Home key and enter into Infuse mode section. I take a 10 ml syringe. It is vacuumed. Choose the infusion mode. Input 10 ml and 120 ml per hour. Clear total volume. Press Start and choose Yes. Check whether the real volume is very near 10 ml or not. It is 10.25. It is within the accuracy range. Let us certify the next. Prepare a 30 ml syringe. Insert the needle. Input 26.67 milliliters. And 800 ml per hour. Clear total volume and press Start. We're going to wait for 2 minutes. Check whether the real volume is very near 26.67 milliliters or not. It is 26 milliliters and within accuracy range. Finish. Thank you for your watching.